this video we're going to look at a narrow CPR scanner on a monthly basis, right, on a month. So when we scan for that, we are just getting ADS, right, SAVA, and then RIDE. These are three stocks we are getting. Okay? So I would say let's look at all three and see which is a good one. Okay, let's go to, I think, SAVA and ADS, because this is $3. Okay, you don't want to go for that. So let's first stock is SAVA. So narrow CPR means the stock is going to be trending, right? It's going to be trending. So in this case, it's going to it's here it is showing a buy signal. Okay, CPR is just a little bit above, so it's also buy signal. So you can see that. So the signal is neutral here. So this is down here, this is down here. So it's going to be trending up. Okay. So this, but you have to wait for the first candle to open. So if you have to wait for 1 day for the candle to open above the CPR for you to take the trade. Okay. The next stock is ADS. Okay. ADS, Allied Data Systems. So here also it's going to be trending. It's starting to trend up. Okay. Signal is neutral. So here the signal has not come here. Okay. So you have to wait for the first candle to open up. So the CPR is just the same level. So you don't know what's going to happen. So we have to wait for the first candle to open up above the CPR or below the CPR to take the trade. Okay. I think it is going to open above the CPR. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you. Bye.